how to disable YouTube Shorts. So if we go over and open up the YouTube app and go into your YouTube homepage, then you can actually see that there's going to be a lot of shorts in your YouTube account. So if we scroll down here, you can see there's a YouTube short here, and over here there's a lot of YouTube shorts. However, if you don't want any YouTube shorts to be appearing in your homepage, or at least just minimize it as much as you can, then basically every time you come across a YouTube short, just like this one, you want to click on the three dots on the bottom right hand corner. And there's going to be an option out of all of these options and say not interested. So click on not interested, and that YouTube short will be completely removed. Right over here, as you can see, it says video removed. So if you do that for a long enough period of time, it may take a couple of minutes, maybe even a couple of days. But every time you come across a YouTube short, just make sure you do that. And I've been doing that for quite some time. And as you can see, it's actually really hard to find YouTube shorts in my YouTube page now. So if you do that for a long enough time, then you're actually going to not get any YouTube shorts that are going to be in your YouTube. So as you can see, it's pretty much all gone.